In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on consent mode in GA4. Navigating the world of Google Analytics for GA4 can seem daunting at first, especially with all the new privacy features and settings you need to be aware of. One critical aspect of maintaining user trust and complying with global privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA is managing consent. Fortunately, Google has introduced a robust consent management feature in GA4, allowing website owners to customize how they handle and respect user permissions. Let's walk through how you can enable this feature, ensuring your data collection aligns with modern privacy standards. First things first, let's get you logged into your Google account. Start by navigating to the Google homepage. From there, you'll notice a sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. This action brings you to the sign in page, where you'll select your Google account and be prompted to enter your password. Remember, your Google account is the key that unlocks the vast suite of Google services, including GA4. So make sure you choose the account associated with your GA4 property. After entering your password, click on Next to continue. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself back on the Google homepage. Now look for the Google Apps icon, which typically looks like a grid of dots, also located at the top right corner. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu displaying various Google apps. From this array, you'll want to select Google Analytics. If it's not immediately visible, you may have to scroll through the menu or click on More from Google to find it. After clicking on Google Analytics, you'll enter the GA4 interface. It might take a moment to load, especially if it's been a while since your last visit or if you're managing multiple properties. The interface has undergone a significant transformation from the previous iterations of Google Analytics, with a more intuitive and user-friendly design. Once it's fully loaded, your next step is to navigate to the Admin section. This section is crucial for configuring your GA4 property settings and is typically located at the lower left corner of your screen. Upon entering the admin section, you'll have access to a variety of settings related to your GA4 property. Your focus should be on finding the data collection and modification options. This might require some scrolling or navigating through the tabs available under the property column. After locating data collection and modification, proceed by clicking on Data Streams. This part is all about managing the different streams of data coming into your GA4 property, which could include web, Android, and iOS data streams. Since our focus today is on web data, click on your web stream. Now that you're in your web stream settings, look for Consent Settings. Clicking on this will redirect you to a section specifically designed for managing how your GA4 setup reacts to consent signals received from your users. This is where things get interesting. You'll see an option titled Ads Measurement Consent Signals Not Detected. Click on it. It's a crucial step as it dictates how GA4 behaves when consent signals for ads measurement are not present, affecting how user interactions are tracked and measured. Next, you will see the option to set up consent mode. Clicking on this initiates the process to configure consent mode according to your precise requirements and compliance needs. Consent mode allows you to adjust how Google Analytics behaves based on the consent status of your users, offering a level of flexibility and control that is essential in today's privacy-focused online environment. Finally, there might be a moment of hesitation as a warning or confirmation dialog pops up, asking if you want to proceed with these changes. Click on Proceed Anyway. This confirms your intent to enable and configure consent mode for your GA4 property. Remember, managing consent is not just about compliance, it's about respecting your users' privacy choices. By adjusting these settings in GA4, you're taking a significant step towards transparent and responsible data collection and analysis. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the GA4 interface to enable consent mode, ensuring your website's analytics practices align with user consent preferences. Remember, the landscape of online privacy is always evolving, so it's crucial to regularly review your settings and stay updated on the latest requirements and best practices. This proactive approach will not only help you maintain compliance, but also build trust with your users, enhancing your site's credibility and reputation in the long run. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit any step you need more clarity on, and keep an eye on our channel for more guidance on navigating GA4 and other Google Analytics features.